Hey everyone, welcome back to Dr. Sophia. Today we're diving into some classic motorcycles, 5 incredible vintage bikes, all available for under $5,000. If you're a fan of classic rides, these bikes are perfect for collectors or anyone looking for a unique experience on 2 wheels. Let's jump right into it. Hashtag 1. 1960 Kushman Eagle, 4,000. Picayune, Mississippi. Starting off, we have the 1960 Kushman Eagle, a true classic with 6,624 miles on it. This one's in very good condition, finished in a beautiful burgundy color. The seller notes it runs great and just needs a jump start for the battery. Known for its fun ride and vintage appeal, the Kushman Eagle is an ideal choice for anyone wanting to experience a piece of motorcycle history for only $4,000. Nasm 2, 1969 Rokon 2x2 Trailbreaker, $3,500, Port Richey, Florida. Next, here's something unique. The 1969 Rokon 2x2 Trailbreaker. This bike features a rare 2x2 all-wheel drive setup, designed for rugged trails and tough terrain. It's a 2-stroke with 3 speeds, up to 35 miles per hour on the 3rd gear. The seller mentions it's in great condition and ready to ride without needing any repairs. If you're into rare finds, this adult-sized trail bike could be a perfect addition to your collection at $3,500. 3. 1969 Harley-Davidson frame with 72 Honda CB engine, $3,000, Midway, Georgia. Here we have a custom 1969 Harley-Davidson frame fitted with a 1972 Honda CB engine. The seller says they hate to let this one go, but it's up for sale due to an urgent need for cash. This is a one-of-a-kind build, mixing the iconic Harley frame with a reliable Honda motor. If you're looking for something truly unique, this bike is priced at just $3,000. 1967 Triumph Chopper, $2,300, Jacksonville, Florida. Next is the 1967 Triumph Chopper, a red beauty that's perfect for anyone looking to customize or restore a classic chopper. The bike does need some work on the bottom end, but comes with a clear Florida title. For just $2,300, this could be an excellent project bike for anyone looking to dive into the world of vintage Triumphs. Five, 1965 Honda CB160, $4,250, Vero Beach, Florida. Finally, we have a fully restored 1965 Honda CB160 in stunning condition. This little red Honda is a real head-turner, and with the full restoration, it's practically in showroom condition. For $4,250, it's a fantastic deal on a classic bike that's ready to ride or display. And that's it for today's video. Which of these classic bikes caught your eye? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned to Dr. Sophia for more vintage finds and amazing deals. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.